Hello everyone! Happy Valentine's! Mukhang wala akong naririnig ah. Happy Valentine's! Thank you. Now we're going to witness the crowning of our Miss Valentine Queen of 2010. Before I move forward, I would like to introduce my co-presenter, Monina Selga Chan, one of our FYSS officers. Here she is.
Magandang hapon po at Happy Valentine's.
Nakita nyo naman, ang ganda-ganda ng aking co-presenter. Alam niyo po ba, hindi lang maganda, may magandang position pa sa Van City. Pwede akong umutang, di ba?
May plugging, libreng advertisement. So anybody who needs RSP, come and see me at the bank. Or a mortgage.
Ayan ha, biglang kilala tayo sa Van City.
Ayan, may connection kayo sa Van City.
Oh, tingnan nyo. Okay, let's start the program by welcoming the Sampaguita Dance Group to entertain us for their special folk dancing number headed by our very own FYS. Thank you.
I think it's very important. Yung mga nagsayaw po. Yung mga nagsayaw. Yan. Magpunta po tayo dito sandali. Sandali lang po. Ayan. Come on, ladies. Okay, everyone, I want your attention, please. I think we need buddy. Yeah, they presented a very nice dance, and they were in Valentine's color, and they were in Canada color. So, maraming salamat po. One more time, everybody, come on, put your hands together. Yan. There we go. Yan. At saka ayun po si Angie. Angie, why don't you join the girls here? Come on. Yan. Angie was the one who motivated these ladies and organized them to come up with this dance. And I'm sure as the year goes along, we'll have other dances. So from the different parts of the Philippines, each region having their own particular dance. So let's celebrate our Filipino heritage while we are in Canada now. Thank you. Can you believe a grandmother of 8? Let us welcome Miss Feli Miguel, our Miss Valentine Queen of 20 Nalibat. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Feli Miguel was born in Cabal, La Union on July 11, 1944. She studied at Philippine College of Commerce and worked as a supervisor with an export-import company. Her union with Benjamin Miguel produced 3 children, 2 boys and a girl. William is an electronics engineer, Jaime, or Jamie, a mechanical engineer, and Angie, a mathematics graduate. Unfortunately, her husband of 47 years passed away last year. In 1992, she immigrated to Canada and retired last year as an HMS host at the Vancouver Airport. Currently, she spends her time as a volunteer with the Green Coats at YVR. Feli is a community leader as one of the directors of Philconnect. She loves dancing, cooking, and a fan of country music. Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Let us give her a warm and a big applause. Feli Miguel, Queen, Valentine Queen of 2010.
And let's invite our Queen up. And his wife, Sobita, as sash dinners.
Society, nagbibigay po kami ng Medal of Recognition or Medallion of Honor sa aming